In the name of Allah, who is most gracious and most merciful. Students, your teacher Miss Mavish Nisar is once again here with you people to take the review of alphabets from A to H. Okay? Well students, today is Thursday, 9th of July 2020. What is the day today? Thursday. Date is 9th and the month going on is July and it's 2020. Thursday, 9th of July 2020. Well, as I have told you that today we are going to learn English, and what do we learn in English? All of you know very well that we are learning alphabets. What we are learning? Alphabets. And in alphabets today I am going to take the review of alphabets from A to H. The reason behind taking the review is that you people are making some tiny small mistakes in writing. Okay, you people are making some mistakes in writing. That's why today I am going to repeat the alphabets from A to H कि आपकी formation exact proper हो जाए. You people are doing very well. You people are doing very good. I know. Best of luck. Keep it up. But again today check how your teacher is telling you people to write from A to H केयरफुली, ताकि ये जो टाइनी छोटी छोटी सी हम्बल सी मिस्टेक्स हो रही है हमारी, इसको भी हम आगे मूव ऑन ना करें नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके जी, बिफोर गोइंग टू टेक द रिटन रिव्यू आई एम गोइंग टू do the oral revision. Okay, I will tell you the name of letter, the sound as well as the vocabulary word. Check here carefully with me. A says ant. B says bat. C says cat. Meow. You all know the sound of cat. D says dog. E says A says then E says egg. F says fox. G says gum. H says hut. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What is the name of this letter? H, not H. What is the name of this letter? H. Okay, you are doing pronunciation mistake while saying H. This is not H. Okay ji, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Well, okay ji, I hope you understand the name and the sound of letters very well. Now check how we can write properly using the 4 lines. Okay. First thing I have told you in my every and each video of English alphabet that for the writing of capital letters there are 4 lines, but capital letter always remain in first 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. They never change their position. Small letters change their position because sometimes they are grass letters, sometimes they are root, sometimes they are sky. I will tell you completely what are sky, root and grass letters, but it is not the exact time for that. Check the writing. How we can write capital A. There are the 4 lines for the writing. Put the pencil on the starting dot. Make a slanting line. Then again go upwards. Put the pencil on the starting dot. Make opposite side a slanting line and come here in the center. Put a sleeping line. This is capital A. And how we can write small a? Make a kha. Go up, come down, touch the line and turn. A. How we can write B? Make a standing line. Then come here upward at the top. Make a small sleeping line, then face, move back, make a small sleeping line and another belly. Okay, this is capital B. Then small b. Make a standing line, move back. अब देखिए जब हम सेकेंड लाइन के पास पहुंचने वाले होंगे थोड़ा सा स्पेस रह जाएगा. Cut, turn and close the face. This is small b. C. Put the pencil on the starting point, make a curve and go inwards. ऊपर से भी हम अंदर से लाइन की तरफ इनवर्ड गए और नीचे से भी लाइन को टच करके हम इनवर्ड गए. देन स्मॉल लाइन, मेक अ कर्व come down, touch the line and go in. A, B, C. Then now it's time for the letter D. Put the pencil on the starting point, drag it down straight like this. Standing line. Make a small sleeping line, then curve and go in. This is capital D. And for the writing of small d, make a kha. अब देखिए मैंने ऊपर से writing नहीं start किया. I am here in the central two lines. Make a kha, go up, come down, touch the line and turn. And turn should be small like this. You people are making turn like this. Oops, this is wrong. Okay. Capital D, small d. Then E is very easy. Make one standing line and three sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3. And for the writing of small e, come here in the center of central two lines. Go upward, make a kh. This is the writing of small e. Then F. Again make one standing line and two sleeping lines. 1, 2. And for the writing of small f, make a cap, come down straight. Then put a small sleeping line here. You people are doing the mistake. You people are writing like this and this. This is wrong. You have to make small antenna over here. Okay. Then the writing of G. Make a kha. Go upward in slanting form. Move back. अब बैक जाके हमने वापस स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आना है जहां से हम मूव बैक करके इन गए थे. एंड कम डाउन स्ट्रेट. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक द फेस ऑफ जी लाइक दिस इज रॉन्ग फॉर्मेशन. हमने आगे आर्म जी की बाहर नहीं निकालनी. फॉर द राइटिंग ऑफ स्मॉल जी, मेक अ खा, गो अपवर्ड, कम डाउन, टच द लाइन एंड टर्न एज मच द अपर फेस इज. जितना जी का ऊपर से फेस है इतना ही आप नीचे से भी बनाएंगे. देन द राइटिंग ऑफ एच, लेटर एच नॉट एच. मेक वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्टॉप. थोड़ा सा स्पेस देके हम बनाएंगे यहाँ पे अनदर स्टैंडिंग लाइन. देन कम हेयर इन द सेंटर and make a sleeping line and join these both standing lines. This is the writing of capital H. And for the writing of small h, वही जो हमने B का फॉर्मूला पकड़ा था. Make a standing line, move back, cut, come down, touch the line and turn. This is the writing of H. This is the writing format from A to H. I hope you understand very well. You will focus and follow it. Thank you very much for your time. I love you, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.